Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. It's Frugalista here, and I have one of the Sephora gift sets. I don't know if this is for holiday or if they are just doing this right now, but it's their Give Me More Lip. It's the latest, and I'm like, I'm gonna try it because I haven't done one of these in a long time. The reason I'm doubting if it's for the holidays, I actually think it is for the holidays. The reason I'm doubting is because normally it's huge, and this was $42, and they usually can be like up to $60 with like $200 worth of lipsticks. This is $90 worth of lipsticks. You get two full-size products. It's called Tear and Share. So the idea is you do this and then you ruin it. Oh my God. But you can tear them apart because this side is balms and this side is lipstick. So if you have someone you want to gift to, the funny thing is you would see this and you go, oh, who got the other half? Just kidding. Ooh, I think this is holiday. It's holiday. I'm gonna model these for you. What do you say? Right? Okay. I guess we'll start with the balms because that makes sense. Also, I need to point out back here is a gorgeous Rose Forever bouquet. Well, arrangement bouquet. This is real roses. Thank you, Rose Forever, for sending me this. They are preserved without needing light or water for up to a year. You can get, it comes in this velvet box. It's gorgeous. This, I believe, is the small square arrangement. You can choose your color flower rose. You can choose the size. They're beautiful. So thank you. You'll see this all year long. I have to probably do something. Yeah. I have the full size is from Incredible. Is the let's do this. This is a Roller Baby Original Rollerball Gloss in Choose Your Happy. Reminds me of Bonnie Bell. And ooh, kind of forgot how much I like to roller gloss. There we go. Oh, nice. Not sticky. It is Be a Roller Baby. Cute. I don't know their claims, but I think it's a K-Beauty or something similar because it's made in Taiwan, and there's not just, I mean, basically it's not like, ooh, shea butter, coconut oil. It's caprylic, triglyceride, alkyl benzoate, fragrance, and there's hydrogenated coconut oil. It's fine. It's fine. I'm not picky. It's cute though. It's cute. And then, okay, so here's the sleeping mask. I've not used this. The Laneige sleeping mask. This is a K-Beauty brand made in Korea. Oh, it's like solid. Oh, golly, that's yummy. I'm just piling the balm. This is good. I can treat my lips before. So this sleeping mask is nice. I like that it's kind of it's a balm, but it's not too, I really like this. I was like, who cares? Who needs a sleeping mask on your lips? I do. This is nice. This is a very small little jar. It's 0.10 ounce. It's kind of a deluxe sample size, but I barely scraped off any on the top there. So this will last ya. Milk Makeup has a Cush Lip Balm. It smells minty. It does not smell like weed. Thank God. And then some of you told me that if it doesn't have the THC in it, it won't smell like weed, and I disagree because the CBD oil I take is stinky. Anyway, so this is Milk Cush Lip Balm. It's just a clear treatment. I'm gonna kind of wipe away what I have so I can get a little idea. Honestly, whoever has enough lip balms, I'm telling you. My son alone needs 4. He needs one in his car, one in his backpack, one by his bed, one by his Xbox. Golly, it's like just frickin'. It has that kind of organic hempy taste. It's nice. It's cute. Actually, maybe he'll like this. I'll let him try it. Of course, I've tested all of them, so no one is gonna want them. This is the Rosé one. I have gotten several of these through the years in, yeah, I'm not gonna even sample this on. My problem with these is they always break. I'm always like putting them on. I try to get them really, really short so that when I put it on, it doesn't break, and it still breaks. So, but they are very nice, these fresh lip balms, and I love that they have an SPF 15. So great. Now, let us move along. Bam. I am gonna, oh man, we got Fenty, we got Charlotte Tilbury, we have a Sephora, and we have a Too Faced. Honestly, I mean, this is nice, but it's like, I want like Armani and YSL, and if they come out with another one, you guys, I'll promise to review that. Okay, I'm trying to go based on shade. So here's the Too Faced. If this is the peach, yeah, Sex on the Peach. Guys. Sexual innuendo. We get it. Smells like peaches. It's precious. It's like an exact tube of Too Faced Peach. I have one of these I bought. I swear I bought it at either TJ Maxx or I don't know. But I have one and I keep forgetting to wear it. So let's do it. It's a blush mauve. It's very nice. It needs a lip pencil. Despite having a peach flavor, I was gonna say maybe it's a little mint, but I don't think so. I don't think there's any mint in here. It's cute. I like this. This is a great, this reminds me a little bit, we have a Charlotte Tilbury in here, but it reminds me of kind of a between the shade of the JK Magic and the Pop Floor Princess. What's it called? Dance Floor Princess? I can't remember. Yeah, this feels nice. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna try the Charlotte Tilbury next. All right, full size tube at Charlotte Tilbury. Right there, man, it pays for itself. Okay, this is called Victoria. Is this called Victoria or something? Very Victoria. Is that like as in Victoria Beckham? Ooh. It's got sort of a more, it's another mauve. This is the matte lip collection, right? Matte Revolution. Ah. Hang on. I think what's happening here is that my lip pigment is too similar. I'm like, I can't see it. How is it that the matte lipstick is sheer? Okay, that's like identical to the other one. Do they want you to give these away? You get lipstick and you get lipstick. I like this shade, but I'm like, didn't I just put this on in the Too Faced? It needs a lip pencil so bad so that I can get myself more pop. It's nice. It's really nice. But really? All right. I've never had a Fenty this kind. I only have had the Lip Stunna. This is so cute. It is Mini Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick in Flamingo Acid. Oh, so cute. I cannot wait to use this. Okay. Ah, it's really matte. Hi. So the tricky thing about this is it's so matte, it's kind of dry. Come on, I can do this. Funny thing is I'm taking this off in like 2 seconds to show you the next shade. I do wish there was a little more difference between the Too Faced and the Charlotte Tilbury, but I love this. Looks, my teeth are so white. Have this Sephora liquid lip. It is Sephora Collection Cream Lip Stain in 96 Red Velvet. That actually has a lot more kind of a scarlet or maybe cherry. It's more blue than I thought. It's very pretty. It feels comfortable. I do feel like my lips look a little ragged. Okay, it's pretty. And that, my friends, is the Sephora Give Me More Lip. I know they've done volumes of these, so yes. I've always loved them. If you want me to get the mascara one, I can't really sample that though, can I? Can I? We'll see. Alrighty. Alright guys, so let me know what you want me to review from Sephora for holiday, for whatever, new releases, I'm fair game. So let me know. And yeah, I hope you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.